Subadi. Hi everyone, Nancy. I'm going to show you how to make sweet sour peanut sauce, and you can eat with almost everything: rice, meat, and egg roll, spring roll. So I'm going to show you how to make that today. It's going to take a long time, but yeah, I'm going to show you how to make it. First, I'm going to boil 2 cups of water in my little pot. You can use brown sugar, just white sugar, however you want it to. So today I don't have no white sugar, I don't have regular sugar, so I'm going to use brown sugar. So it will be about a small bowl. I'm going to boil it into the pot. And the thing I'm going to put in is have garlic. I'm using about 4 cloves, red Thai chili pepper. You can use half if the people you don't eat spicy. Half of this. You must have one. Lime. I'm going to use 1.5. But I'm just going to squeeze to get the juice. And I roasted peanut, a little bowl. So I'm going to wait until my pot is boiled, when my sugar boiled it down. So I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, this is the brown sugar I'm going to use. Well, I found this is American measurement cup, I would say. Okay, let's see what I'm going to use. One. So I'm using 2 cups, and I'm going to boil it down. See how it is? So I'm going to let it boil for, I would say, 10-15 minutes. No, yeah, around 10 minutes. So let it boil. And while it takes that, I can always add fish sauce in there. I'm using this spoon, the Asian spoon. Okay, it will be 3 spoons. One, two, three, and I'm gonna use a little bit salt. It can be any kind of salt. Can be that kind of salt, or sea salt. I'm using sea salt. I would say that much. I don't know how much it is, but I would say 2 pinch if you're using a finger to pinch it. 2 pinch. So now I'm waiting for it to be boiled. When it's boiling, you can always drop your pepper in there as well. Let it boil. Alright, so now my sauce is ready because when I boil it, it's hot. I let it set until it's cooled down, so I dip my hand in there. It's good because we already put the salt, the fish sauce in there. It's already. All we do is we just squeeze in the lime juice. So remember I say I'm using 1.5 limes. If you guys don't want to use the fresh one, you can get the lime juice. It will be, you can use this little bowl, I would say half of this bowl. So I'm gonna drop down the garlic that I smashed and the pepper. So I drop it down and I stir. Alright. So that's how it's gonna look like. The garlic and that's the pepper flake. I mean not the flake, the skin a little bit. So I want to give it a taste. Perfect. Sweet, sour. Guys, it depends what you like. If you like it a little bit sour, you can always add more lime juice in there. If you like it a little bit sweet, just add a little sugar if you wanted to, but this is just the way it should be. It's already perfect for me. So, and here I have roasted, I smashed it down, the peanut that I showed it to you guys earlier. So all I do is, if you guys don't have what I use, is just use the blender, but try not to make it too small, too ashy. Just about this size. So for me, I like to add it when I take the sauce in the little bowl. So I'm gonna set that aside. So I'm gonna use a little bowl. Let me show you. So take the sauce, put it in the bowl. I use about 3 spoons to eat one time to dip with something. So, and then I'm gonna put in the peanut. I used 2 spoons. 2 spoons. It depends how you like the peanut. So, here we go. I used 2 spoons in that little bowl. See it? So, I don't know. You can eat it or dip it. Egg roll, fried chicken, rice, stir fry beef. That will be the best. Anything, guys. You can eat with anything. So this is how it's gonna be. This is how it's gonna look like. Laos sauce peanut. So guys, if you are vegan, I'm going to do the same thing. This is the sauce that it's peanut sauce. So for the vegan people, So I'm doing the same thing. I'm boiling the sugar and the little bit salt and soy salt. So this is how it look like for the vegan people. The soy sauce and the sugar that I boiled down, it will have darker color because the soy sauce is black, right? So that's how it's gonna look like. So what I'm doing is that I add the lime juice as well. That using the same because I'm boiling the same amount of what I did that is not vegan. So 1 lime and a half. If you like it sour, more sour, so you can add whole 2. And peanut, same thing. So we put the garlic that I smashed it, I put it in there. That 1 pepper that I boiled, I put it in there. It's the same method. It's the same thing that I did for the regular one for the people who's not vegan. So this is for the vegan people who want to know how to do it. So you just take 2 cups of water, boil into that little pot, and I would say 2 cups of sugar. Boil it down all the way until about 15 minutes. And then your sugar should be all boiled down, and then you're done. So all you do is that if you use blender, just blend the garlic and the pepper together, just drop it in a pot, you're done. And then for the last part, for the peanut, you don't want to put all the peanut in there because it's already roasted and kind of like smash it already. I like mine separately, but if you guys want to do that, you can always drop all in there. If you don't use it all, you can always put in the container, in the jar, put in the refrigerator. It lasts for a long time. So you can dip with anything, any vegetable, rice, vegetable, steam, raw. You can use it as a salad dressing. Yeah, that's it. You can use it as salad dressing. That goes for the vegan. So now I'm finished with all the sauce that I made. This is the vegan one. So vegan. This is not vegan. This one has fish sauce, soy sauce for the vegan people. Look in there. Okay, and this is in the jar. So this is the one with the fish sauce. So put it in the little plate. So here I have cucumber, spring roll. This has egg. It's just vegetable. And this one is vegan. No egg, no nothing in there. Noodle. And my lettuce. Alright, I'm going to show you how to eat it. Ready? Ready for this? Okay. This is for the people that is vegan. I'm eating vegan first. It tastes the same thing, guys. Just a little bit different smell because the soy sauce have a little bit less sense of fish sauce, so you can deal with cucumber. So good, guys. You have to try this. Try to make it at home and bring it. Let me try it. Give it salad, lettuce, romaine lettuce. This sauce, it's not vegan, so I'm gonna eat with that. Egg roast still. It's so good, guys. Try it, learn it. This is the best sauce. You can eat with noodle, all kinds, whatever you like. Now I'm dipping with cucumber. So good. I will put all the ingredients down below on the clip. I'll see you guys next clips. Don't forget, Nancy's Banh Lao. Okay. Bye.